Today we're going to be putting some new wheels on the VS410 Phoenix. These instantly change the look and the performance of the ride. Let me show you why. Welcome back to my channel. New wheels obviously make you look better on the trail and they help you perform better because they're going to weigh a lot more. I chose these wheels because they have the old school look, which I kind of feel like the Phoenix is resembling some old looking trucks, like army trucks or whatever. These things look good, they feel good, they're definitely high quality, you can hear them. So it comes with the rim, the inner ring, the outer ring, the hub, and obviously a ton of screws for the beadlocks. And they fit my Phoenix. The Phoenix has these weights on the front that come stock, and I was kind of nervous if these wheels would fit or not, and they do. So there's three things you want to look at when you're buying wheels. One being strength, because you know we're going to beat the hell out of these rigs, and you need something that's going to last. Second is beadlock fitment. You don't want your beadlocks fighting you the whole time and holes being drilled out of alignment and stuff like that. And third is style. So right after I put these wheels on, I took the Phoenix out for a quick crawl, and let me tell you what, these things really make a difference. If you're wanting to make a quick upgrade for something that's relatively cheap and it's going to make a really big difference in your ride, I would definitely look into getting some wheels. These things are worth every penny, and not only do you get performance upgrade, but you get a visual upgrade too. So it's kind of two birds with one stone. I appreciate you guys watching. There's gonna be some more upgrades and trail runs on this truck coming soon. So stay tuned and like and subscribe if you don't mind.
Want to do some trail shots?
Oh! Shit. Give up on what?
There we go.
Got it?
Yep.
On film too. These instantly change the look and the performance of the ride. Let me show you why.
I would try these for like 10 minutes and then watch it.
It comes with the rim, the inner ring, the outer ring, the hub, and obviously a ton of screws for the beadlock. I'm sure that. I doubt I. That's what I'm thinking.
A little bump. One bump.